Alright, so here we would look for a pivot confirmation, so we would need a signal candle and then another candle right after that to close above this high. Alright, so this will be our signal. And as a confirmation, we would just need this one to close above this close. So ideally, something like this. And then we enter and ride the momentum on the way back up. So in this one, basically we got our signal candle right on the 9 EMA. That's the 9 EMA. This is the VWAP. So either one of those would have been a good entry. Looks like we're going to get our confirmation. So you can see this is a pivot. This is a pivot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You gotta have patience. This can sometimes be like watching paint dry, but this is the safest way to trade. You got your signal, you get your confirmation, and then you enter. Now normally with the day trade we would use active trader to get in quickly, but right now I'm just doing the demonstration. So that's a little bit above. So if you were comfortable taking it, I wouldn't be comfortable taking this one. But if it closed above, we would have gone in there. But since we didn't, we don't have an entry. So we would either wait till it comes back down to the VWAP or see what this candle does. But we did not get our entry, even though it was a little bit higher than this close. It's too small for me. So we just wait and see.